Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Daryl Thompson. Thank you for joining us today in another of our series on learning how to use the new egwwritings.org website. Now today I'm going to be showing you about advanced search templates. Some of you that have been around for several years will remember our old EGW Writings CD-ROM or the Creative Research Edition CD-ROM. And that folio view software gave you advanced search templates that you could use to find particular books, pages, periodicals, pamphlets, Avernus Pioneer Library, and other different particular information that you may be looking for by typing it into a template and filling it out and then being able to search. Well, we have added that feature, the same features and more that used to be on that old CD-ROM software, onto our new EGW Writings website. So let me show you the new templates that we have. They're in the same style, but they have some extra features. So in front of me here, I've opened up the new egwwritings.org website. And there's two places that you can access the advanced search. If you haven't actually searched for something yet, you can access it by just tapping on this little tiny filter cone beside the word search, right up there in the top left-hand corner of the search text entry box. There's like a little cone there, and if you click on that, so you can see down here, there's many other templates, like, you can click on Bible, and if you want to go to a particular book, you can come in here and say, hey, I want to go to Genesis, and I'm going to Genesis 2, and I want to look up man, and then you can click here, and there it is. It will find all within Genesis 2 the word man. So that's the advantage of the search templates here. Say in dictionary, if you want to look up a word, so say you want to look up what's the definition of education, and I click search, and it gives me the definition here of the word education from the ellenwhite Pocket Dictionary, and for all our other dictionaries that we have on the new app. So basically, advanced search templates. Let's pick up that so thing again. You ready?
There we go.
Because I want to blank this out.
Okay.
And blank this out and go back there. So basically the advanced search templates here, when you click on them, you can see all the different ones that you have. Now the last one, which is interesting, which I've shown you before, is the bibliography, and it gives you your full bibliography for all of the books. And that may be of a use to you if you're doing research and want to be able to look up everything. We do have it in the book information area, the bibliography, and we do have the ability in the advanced search templates to see the bibliography, but this is to the whole database right there. Okay, advanced search templates, something that's very useful that came across from our old CD-ROM and has been included on the new egwwritings.org website for your researching pleasure. Thanks for joining us now. Remain safe with God and be blessed. Have a nice day now. Bye.